You have to miss one day of camping and hunting to pack up and take the trailer home. This place is probably cleaner than my house. Alright, dusting is done. So there's a valve right here, and we opened it up, and that's a low port drain. We bought all these hoses because we got to get all the water out of the Winterize. So we broke this, so that's the hot water heater that's draining. When it gets to a certain point, then he'll pull the plug, but it is hot water, so we're letting it drain over there first. So we're all done except for we gotta get on the roof and get all the acorns and leaves off. Can you get on your bag? Patiently waiting. Well, we looked up and got the trailer all closed in before the rain hit. So that's good. That way the Wet slides don't get inside the camper. Don't need no moisture inside the camper. So we've only had that a couple times, and you gotta reach up in there and dry it off. And of course I'm not tall enough, so Jim always has to do it. They didn't make this very good for long-o trailers. We don't. Yep, it's good to have the clear one right there because you can actually see the water comes in here and flushes out the poo. The poo.
The poo. Flushes the poo.
Yep.
Yeah, that remind me, I gotta get my sunglasses.
Where they at?
The top drawer in there, I think.
Oh. Don't know what you did with them? I was supposed to remind you of something else, and I don't know what it was. You talking about the ones in the case? Oh. I think.
Kitchen's getting gummed up. Gonna have to buy some more of that stuff.
Another good weekend of camping. Well, a little over, close to a week. Like I said, we cut it short one day, just mainly because of the rain that's coming in, and then we'll be able to hunt one more day because we would have been leaving on a Thursday. Local lake.
Harder than that just a second ago.
Well, it figures. I don't even know if that's enough videotape. Jim said, it's raining. Well, I kind of out. I don't. Nope. Not yet. The ground's wet, though.